Hi everybody, we're here once again with another drone vlog, and today we're going to talk about remote ID that's coming September 16th, 2023, where you have to have a module or an update on your drone in order to be able to fly it commercially or recreationally, no matter what size it is. So here at Pilots and Drones and Endemic Environmental Services, we are in full compliance. We are already using the drone tag remote ID module. And it's pretty simple. It's already on. And we have Velcro on the drone. We hook it in there. And then what we do is we can go on the phone and you can download what's called Drone Scanner. And then you can see right there, that's my drone. And I'm putting out a signal. People can know where I am as the operator and where my drone is, can see the flight path and everything. So remember, you're gonna have to get in compliance no matter what by September 16th, 2023, or you will be grounded. All operations that do not fall under remote ID will be out of FAA compliance. And they are back ordered right now. So order yours today. Hopefully we can get you in and get you flying. And we're always here for the next flight.